What's the matter, Robin?
I'm bored.
Have you practiced 10 different fighting styles?
Yes.
Have you practiced 10 different world languages?
Yes.
Have you gone over 10 different cold case files?
Yes. I just want to bust some heads.
I, too, understand and want to bust some heads. But everybody's in quarantine, even the Joker and his goons. And you gotta remember that if we leave and come back, Alfred could get sick. And die. You don't want Alfred to get sick. And die, do you?
No.
Alright, go do 500 push-ups and 500 crunchies.
Gotham City PD, we have a 2319. Gotham City PD, we have a 2319.
Finally, time to bust some heads. Wait a minute. 2319. That's just a white sock. GCPD, this is Batman. A white sock is not an emergency. Repeat, a white sock is not an emergency. No, Batman, Batman. Hey everybody, how's it going this week? Alright, hope you guys are doing good. Here are your week 3 objectives. Photo 1, you guys are going to work on motion photos. You're going to take frozen, panned, and blurred. Make sure that you watch the video presentation and go over the PowerPoint so you understand the concepts of these 3 types of motion. Okay? Photo 2, your new shooting project is going to be candids and reflections. You're going to turn in either 2 reflections or 2 candids or one of each or a combination of the 2. Make sure that you as well go over the PowerPoint and watch the presentation so you understand the concepts as well. Photo 3, you're going to turn in more photos this week to show me what you have been taking pictures of for your new chosen research. So continue to take photos so you can flesh out your ideas more. Work on problem solving. Trojan time. Make sure that you guys check in, not just with me, but with all your teachers. That way you're keeping on top of things. Okay? If anybody's got any questions, make sure you guys email or check into Zoom meetings. Make sure you all know what your passwords are to get into the Zoom meeting. Okay? Okay. All right. This week's question. During this time, what superpower would you want and why? For me, I would still want the Flash of Speed Force because then I can move super duper fast and his metabolism burns viruses and sicknesses off so fast that he never gets sick. So I wouldn't have to worry about it, and then I can still zoom around and get everything done that I want to get done while I'm sitting here. So, what superpower? All right, enjoy week 3. Enjoy taking new photos. Hope you enjoyed the Batman video. All right, make sure you tune in here next week. Same bat time, same bat channel. No, Batman.